Hi guys, in this video, I will show you how to remove end-to-end encryption in Messenger. So let's get started. First, on the left side here, click on these three lines. Next, click on the gear icon here to go to Settings. Now scroll down and go to Privacy and Safety. Now here you can find the option End-to-end Encrypted Chats. Tap on it. First tap on Message Storage. And then tap on Off Secure Storage here. Tap on Continue to turn off secure storage. Next, go back and go to Security Alerts. Next, tap on Manage Security Alerts here and turn off your devices or key change. Next, go back to Chat. Long press on Chat and delete your entire conversation. If you still face this problem, then you need to uninstall your Messenger application and download an old version of the Messenger application. Hopefully all these settings will fix your problems. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like.